Good morning, everybody. Our lesson today is about angles in a triangle. Actually, we have two objectives. The first objective to identify that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and the second objective is to calculate the missing angle or angles in a triangle. As I mentioned, you have to identify that the sum of angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Any triangle, it has three interior angles. If I add up all the three angles together, they add up to 180 degrees. This triangle, for example, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C equals to 180 degrees. So keep in your mind that sum of angles of any triangle is always 180 degrees and it doesn't change. Let us start with the first example. Calculate the size of the angle marked C. They gave me two angles and one angle is missing. The sum of all the three angles is 180 degrees. So to be able to find angle C, I have to subtract from the 180 degrees the sum of the two other angles. So all what I have to do is to make 180 degrees minus the sum of the other two angles. 180 minus 70 plus 30, which is 100. 180 minus 100 is 80 degrees. Another example. I have another triangle here. Again, they gave me two angles and one angle is missing. Calculate the size of the missing angle. Again, I have to subtract the sum of these two angles from the 180 degrees. 180 minus 82 plus 55, it will give me 43 degrees. Keep in your minds again and again that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Here, in this triangle, I have an interior angle that is missing and another angle that is exterior that is missing. I'm going to start finding angle A. They tell you calculate the size of the missing angles here. To find angle A, I'm going to use exactly the same method. So I have to subtract from the 180 the sum of these two angles, 95 and 50. And it will be 180 minus 95 plus 50 equals 35 degrees. How I'm going to find angle B? The sum of angles A and B together is 180 degrees because they are angles on a line. Those two angles, they form a straight line, so their sum is 180 degrees. So all what I'm going to do to find angle B is to subtract 180 minus angle A, which already we found that it's 35 degrees. So angle A plus angle B is 180 degrees. It's sum of angles on a straight line. 180 minus angle A, which is 35. Angle B will be 145 degrees. Thank you very much. Have a good day.